Hello and welcome to Meadow Brown Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake this delicious pear tart. Before we get started, head over to my website meadowbrownbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I've got my round cake tin. This is 20 centimeters, but you can use a smaller one which is about 18 centimeters round. I've got some butter which I'm going to rub all over the bottom of the cake tin and a little bit on the sides. Okay, spread the butter as evenly as you can. Okay, now I'm going to sprinkle some sugar on top. Put this to the side. I'm going to use some cardamom seeds. You crack one, get the seeds out, like that. Break the seeds if they're joined. Like these brown ones tend to be more joined. You can see these ones. Break it up. Okay. Now I'm going to sprinkle the seeds on top. They've got a very strong flavor, so you don't need much. I'm using the seeds of 10 cardamoms. You can remove some of the husks. Okay, now I'm going to peel a pear. You peel all the pears that I'm going to use in this recipe. Then cut it in half. Remove this part and some of the core. Okay, put it to one side. Arrange the pears on top of your sugar. Do it as best as you can. I'm going to see how I can fit these on. Probably something like that. I don't have space for more, so I think this will do. Okay, now I'm going to put this to the side. Okay, I'm going to put some flour on the work surface. Put my puff pastry on it. Put a bit of flour on my rolling pin and roll it out. I need this to be big enough to cover my pears. Okay. Now I've rolled out my puff pastry. Bring your tin forward and put the puff pastry and then tuck it in to the sides. Like that. Now this is going to go in the oven for a few minutes until slightly golden brown on top. Okay, the tart is ready. It's nice and golden brown on top. Now I'm going to flip it onto a serving plate. So you put the serving plate on top and then use oven gloves because this is quite hot. Flip it onto there. I'm going to lift it off. Wow, just look at that. Okay, look at this. This is beautiful and it smells amazing from the cardamom. Some of the syrup has stuck to the bottom. If you want, you can scrape some. It's a bit hard, but you can scrape some and put it onto the pears. But it's not necessary because they already have the flavor from the cardamom. And that's it. You can cut this and serve it with some custard or ice cream. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.